In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started using M0 for Slack. I just attached a ledger to Slack called Demo. You won't have to do this if it's your only ledger, but since I have multiple ledgers, I have to set a default ledger, and so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make this demo ledger my default ledger. The reason for that is that we're going to issue some commands and to invoke a method, and it depends on the default. It uses the default ledger to issue the command. So this is a new ledger, so we have a bunch of samples here that you get, and if you want to use one of these, the first thing you need to do is you need to save it. The sample shows up, but it's not saved in your ledger right now, so we just need to save it. And so now we have it. We have a copy of this in our test environment, actually. So and we can start executing it. So I'll go back to Slack and go to the Messages tab, and I'll issue the command here to invoke that method. And we give the name of the method that we're going to use. It's called interact. And then the name of the template. And we can see that it displays the modal that it's constructing here. Here on the code side, it's constructing the modal here, and the code it's now sitting right here. And it's waiting for someone to either cancel or submit this, and then it'll hit one of these breakpoints depending on what they do. So I'll cancel it, and we can see it hits the breakpoint that when the submission type is not submission, so this is the correct spot. So now if I look on the right, you can see that this is a copy of the complete state at this point in the code when it hits this breakpoint. And if you scroll through this, you'll see it has all the variables, and you could find everything that your code executed on the left, and you could find the variables, and it also has all the information, the Slack information, and really anything you need to debug this method. So now I'll end this method by clicking the continue button, which is the little blue arrow. So now if we go back to the home tab, we can see how the gas works. So you'll notice that you got some gas deducted, but you also got credited some gas, and the reason for that is that when you saved this template, it associates the template with your ledger. So anyone who executes one of your methods you'll get a portion of the gas that's charged. So since you executed your own method, you're getting a portion of that gas back. So that's how you earn rewards with M0, by building things that someone needs, and anytime they execute the code, you get a portion of that gas, so that you can earn, you can see that you can earn really large rewards by having something popular that everyone wants to use.